So I made these solar panel frames out of PVC, like RV with Tito uh, did, and I've just been applying them how I apply them. I have the 100-watt panels. I've been wanting to find a way to set it up so I know when the solar panel is facing, you know, towards the sun as best as possible. So I've been trying to come up with a way to do that, and I've seen a video where someone pretty much made something that they placed on top of the solar panels and used the shadow of the object to find out whether or not it was facing directly towards the sun. So I've been trying to come up with something similar to that. And the solution that I've come up with is just basically to use the zip tie, and I have the zip tie set up so that I'm not going to cut this one off. And when it's facing towards the sun, then the shadow of the zip tie is pretty close to, just sitting on itself. So it's not casting to one side or the other. And that way you can tell pretty quickly whether or not the solar panel is facing directly towards the sun. I have that one set up on the bottom here, and I have another one set up on the top right here. So I'm gonna be seeing how these work right now with these two panels. They're saying that my batteries are pretty full, pretty close to being fully charged, but I'm bringing in 15 volts right now at 2.2 amps. So it's kind of just topping off my batteries, and I definitely don't have an ideal setup. It's there's a tremendous amount of loss right now because it's not reading the battery properly, but that's probably because I don't have the proper cables set up or this charge controller properly connected to this battery at the moment. Now you can see that the batteries right now are reading at 15.1 volts measured at the battery themselves. So it's incremental improvements, incremental progress, but that's kind of what I'm doing here, just experimenting. So hope this helps you out, and until next time, keep on inventing and rethink how we do this.